My favorite thing is just there's tons of room in it. You can maneuver around with plenty of people. I really dig the full-size pantry because I pack a lot of food and stuff like that. And I can't get around the fact that it's got heated tanks. You don't find that in every camper, and that the fact that this has it is huge. Hi guys, Josh from Midway here. I'm going to show you the new WILDWOOD by Forest River. This model is the 24BH. It's got 24 feet and bunk beds. Right now we are underneath a nice awning that comes all the way out. You have a nice outdoor light right here, which is great for nighttime. And then you have these outdoor speakers. You have outdoor and indoor speakers. These are marine grade, so if they get any weather attached to them, you don't have to worry about it. They will last, they will work. Right underneath here is the LP Connect, so if you have a outdoor kitchen you want to pack along with you, you just plug it in right underneath here in this spigot. The nice thing about this floor plan is you have two doors, one for the main entrance and then another door here for the bathroom. Coming around here, you see a new system called the Quick Drop Stabilizer by Lippert. That's these bars right here. New invention for stabilization to make it quicker and easier, and it's just a really nice setup. Also on the back here, you have a rack, which I really like for putting a generator on or extra things you need for storage. You plop this down, you can put whatever you want on it. It's very handy. Coming around here, another nice feature about these new WILDWOODs is you get a hot water heater. So it's not your standard, it's your tankless. Just like your house, you're gonna have instant hot water. So that's super nice. An outdoor shower right here that you can open up and rinse off with if you wanna take a shower. As we walk around this way, I do want to point out this nice size slide here on the WILDWOOD. It's going to give you a lot more room in this travel trailer. I just opened this up so you can see the pass-through storage. You have a lot of room in here. You can put a lot of things like chairs and camping supplies or whatever you need it for. Coming around here, you have an electric ton jack, so there's no crank. You just press this button, it goes up and down. If anything fails, you do have an extra crank, but that usually never happens. So what's nice is you have an electric ton jack, you have your propane bottles, and plenty of space for batteries. There is a battery disconnect if you ever want to turn your batteries off and save power. All right, so coming in here, another nice feature on this trim of travel trailer is you have these solid steps. These are huge in the industry right now. They're super sturdy. Coming in here, this is a new floor plan. It's very spacious. What I really like about this, first and foremost, is you open up this door and you have a full-size pantry. It's really nice to have that size pantry in a travel trailer like this, in this size. They supply you with a 30-inch fireplace. Now that puts out real heat. It's not just for show, it does put out real heat. Plenty of room to put a TV here, a TV backer here. So if you do use your TV in your camper, they do supply you an area for it. Coming around here, you have a nice U-shaped dinette, which is also a nice bed space. This turns down into a bed if you have an extra sleeper. Speaking of extra beds, you have full-size bunks in here. Not the small teensy ones, you have the full-size bunks, so you can fit bigger children or adults or whatever size human, really. You have USBs up here as well as down here for the kiddos that do end up using this. There's other ones right here as well. Plenty of power supply to charge things like tablets, phones, video games, whatever you're going to use it for. Coming into the kitchen, we have a nice sized electric fridge here. The new 12-volt fridges are really nice. They offer tons of space. They run off your battery powers and this nice solar package that comes with it. As you see right here, here's your 30-amp solar control charger. There's about 200 watts of solar on the roof to supply enough energy for the batteries and things to run like the refrigerator. You have your dual sinks right here. All your basic appliances that most campers come with. Luckily, they come with everything. Sometimes they don't come with a stove and oven. They just come with the conventional. This supplies everything. Here's the door I was talking about right here. So there's an entry door on either side, your entry to the main entrance, and then the bathroom. That's nice because you can just come in through the bathroom door instead of tracking mud and stuff all the way through the camper. Just go in and out through there. Good sized bathroom, good sized shower. Nice sized bathroom for this style of camper. As we turn around here, we're gonna go look at the master bedroom. I like this because it separates, it still gives you a full-size master bedroom in here. You have some nice storage underneath here as well. It's just nice to have these nice little storage bins underneath the bed so you can separate things. And yeah, this is the WILDWOOD 24BH. Something really nice about this camper, guys, is this is huge. I can't talk about this enough. You guys have heated tanks on this. So your water tanks are wrapped in 12-volt wrapped heat pads. And all you gotta do is turn these little buttons on and boom, your tanks are heated. So the MSRP is $45,000. We have it marked down $10,000 already at $35,000. So I think you're getting a really good deal and you're getting lots of bang for your buck in this camper.